What's up, fam? This is Vic from Quick Cuts Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. I'm reaching out to you guys today because I want you to grow your business, and here's how I'm doing it. It is called, you already know I use Google reviews. As you can see, man, I have 81 reviews, and majority of it is 5 stars. Now, am I no way perfect in what it is that I do? However, my goal is always customer satisfaction. So when I do certain things, I have a certain way of reaching out to my clients, trying to get them to help promote my business by giving me a Google review. And I'm going to share how I do it right now. So let's get started. So first thing first, you have to have what is called a my Google business account. If you don't have that, I just ask that you YouTube it and someone to help you, set up a profile. So I'm assuming that you already have a my business, my Google business account. And if you don't, man, you're missing out on a lot of work. You don't need just so you just for an example, check this out. And this is in my area, so I know you already see my business already. But let's just say someone says lawn care near me. This is so great about it. You'll see your business start coming up in what we call the snack pack of business in your area. So this is the reason why my Google business is important. But this is not what the video is here. This is for those people who already have their My Google business and they want their reviews to go up. So first thing you need to do is you need to right click on Google reviews, because this is where a person would go to if they was to Google your business, and that'll come up. Now your clients, most of them are busy and they don't want to spend a lot of time finding your business, getting on Google. So you gotta be able to cut all that out for them and put it on their cell phone. This is the day and age. Everything must go in the palm of their hand. And so this is what I do. I have something that helps navigate it straight to their phone. They can come straight here and click on it. So what you want to do is right click on this and you want to copy the link. And I'm going to show you why. You have to go to this website. It's bit.ly link management. Now it's free and pretty much it's self-explanatory. You create an account, and once you create an account, what it's going to do is it's going to shorten that long drawn out link that you don't want to send to your clients, because you send that long drawn out link to your client, they're going to think it's spam and they're not clicking on it. And no one wants to click on something super long. This actually shortens it and it makes it more feasible for someone willing to click on it. Now, as you can see off to my left hand side down here, I have plenty of links. And you see how long that link is right there? It shortened that link to say this right here. It shortened it to say Quick Cuts Review. I have other links that I send to my clients, and it's all via a text message, by the way, guys. And I'll show you in a minute how I do it. Aeration overseas, end of the season newsletter. I have created all this over time. You're not gonna be able to create it in a night, but over time, once you create something, that's what you want to do. You want to build a system that's automatic. You can click on it, you can send it, and you really don't have to reinvent the wheel every time you're trying to send a message out to your clients. I got plenty of text messages that says certain things that I'm offering, certain I mean, you name it, I done put it in here, so I won't have to reinvent the wheel. So I'm going to show you how I wind up. Man, I will get a call in the middle of my video. All right, fam. So now what you need to do is to click on the button create. What's going to pop up is the link. So you want to go ahead and put the long URL into this box, and it'll transform it for you. Now that was a short URL, but normally they're really super long. And then you want to go ahead and change the name of it. Now you can't go past that little slash, because that slash is important. So you can name it Google, and I'm just naming my test review because I already have one, and I don't want to override it. Now Google, and I always put a little dash, Google review dash. I'm just put test for me because I'm gonna delete this link. And basically you'll save it. Once it's saved, you can close it. And right here off to the left hand box, this is where the link is. Okay, and that's what it looks like. Now I had to use this crazy email address because I didn't want to overrun mine. But typically the link, the review link, is about that long. If you can see it, that's how long it really is. But I wanted to go through the steps with you so you can see that you got to change the last bit. So technically you would have had to delete all this out until you get to the little slash right here. And notice how I put mine in there. I put quick dash cuts review, and that's what my clients will receive when I send it to them in a text message. So now I'm going to show you how I send them through a text message through Yardbook, because that's what I use. So you want to click the word copy. I go over to my Yardbook. Once I'm on my Yardbook, click on the world or the globe icon. Now you're gonna have to have the paid prescription for Yardbook for being able to do this, what I'm about to do. And it's about $35 a month, and it's well worth it because it pretty much gets you to where you can do a text blast to all of your clients, and you want to be able to do that. And if you're still texting your clients via your cell phone, and I've done that in a group text, and if one person cancel, other people feel that at liberty they want to cancel. You don't want to do that. You don't want other people to see messages going to other clients in the group text. This separates that. It's really great as far as looking at information at a bulk. So you click on that and you click send bulk message, and of course all of your clients is going to come up that you have cell phones to. Now you are able to send it either in a text message or email. I send text message because everyone is holding their device some part of the day, and they're gonna get a notification. Not everyone has their email linked to their cell phone. Now, with that being said, I just look, through whom I want to send it to, and normally I send it to everybody. So here you can put the entries in where you get 500, of course, and those people, you can be able to look through that yourself. But just for this purpose, I am going to send it to myself. So I have my address on here, which you ain't gonna know it because I'm gonna cover it up. However, I'm about to send it to myself. You click on send text. Now, normally I'll put something in there. Hey, thanks, blah, blah, blah. I really appreciate this year. And I just got a question. Now, what I do I'm gonna show it to you because I don't just send them to hey, go to Google and give me a review. No, that would be crazy because you want to be able to filter out your reviews that's going to best suit you. Now, one of the things I always do in my first text that I send to my clients when it comes to the end of the year and I'm looking for some feedback, and it's pretty much says it here. It says, "Hi, we've paused your services as required and want to thank you for allowing us to service you. Uh, could you could you provide some feedback on your services this year? On a scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate our dependability and reliability when it came to servicing you? Thanks, QC." Now, the reason why I use those two things, dependability and reliability, is because I know I'm really good at that. And you want to highlight what you're really good at. You know, I didn't say how well I cut your yard. I didn't say that. I didn't say how affordable my prices were. I didn't say that. I said dependability and reliability, meaning that when it's time for me to come cut your yard, did I come cut your yard? Did I schedule it and followed up with you if it got rained out and you was notified, hey, can't cut it today. We'll be out there on the next day or the day after the next. Did I keep in good customer service contact with you? That's how I look for dependability and reliability. Can you depend on me? Can you rely on me? And I believe I'm a 5 star in that area. So basically, what I will look for is clients giving me that 5 star. Like I said, I will send this first. And then after that, I will get a slew of responses, you know. And from those slew of responses, I'll know, hey, they gave me a 5 star. Now, did I get any 4 stars? I think out of like maybe let's say 40 people. No, that may be too many. But at least out of 30 people who responded to me, I got 2 4s. Now 4s are not bad, but I don't I always ask, hey, how could I earn a 5 star? Now, truth be told, one person responded, the other person ain't responded yet. I think for them it was the price. That's why they ain't responded. But nevertheless, this is what I do to see what they're going to give me as far as my rating. Then after that, if they give me a 5 star rating, I'll follow up by thanking them. And here's my automatic response. You'll see it. I said, would you please share your 5 star review and comment on Google? Just click on link. Boom, boom, boom. That's the link I created. Thank you for thanks for your support in advance. So I'm going to send this to me so you can have an idea of what it looks like. So boom, I send it all to my clients who pretty much done it for me. Now, some people gave me 5 star reviews, guys, and they hadn't clicked on the link yet. Now I'm going to share with you these are all the clients that I've gotten 5 star from this year. So far. I definitely got some 5 stars, and I think about a good 10 because I was at like 72. Now I'm at 81. Far as my Google reviews. So what I've done is created in my email. It's just a what I call a what you call this, a folder where I put all my 5 star reviews in, and I'm just gonna follow up, and hopefully they'll eventually click on that link. I'm not gonna beat them over the head too much, but I am gonna follow up a few times so they can go ahead and help us out and getting those reviews up. So I'm gonna show you now what it will look like once the client will receive the link. So fam, now I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is the link that my clients will receive. Notice it already have my business on there, Quick Cuts Premium Lawn Care LLC. So what they'll see is the same thing. It says, would you please share your 5-star review, and comment on Google. Just click on the link. So when they click the link, remember we want to make everything simple and easy for them. It goes straight to my Google. They don't have to do nothing, but now give me the 5-star, add it, and life is grand. Life is grand. So I'm sharing this with you because this is the way you move the needle with your lawn care business. This is not an overnight success type of thing. It takes time to build your business. It takes time to build your brand. And I have right now, you can see I have 81 um, reviews. Now, out of the 81 reviews, I do have a, a, a 1-star. I got a 2-star. I got a 3-star. I got some 4-star. But the thing is, when you sort it, I can tell you what people want to know. They want to know what people are saying about you. And normally it's recently. This is what they want to know. And these are the ones I've been doing in the last couple of days. So these are my reviews that I've been receiving. And I've been doing this method that I just showed you just a few days ago. And these are the ones I've received. So this is the way to get your reviews up. This is the way to get your business popping. And you can do it. You can set your system up and you can get started and you can grow this lawn care business to be something that can feed you for a very long time. Now, do I want to share? Let me share my low ratings. Now, here's a low rating. Here's another low rating. Here's another low rating. Now, this low rating is from a client that actually I still service. It was a price issue, and she still hadn't changed she still hadn't changed her review on me. So, but nevertheless, sometimes you're just gonna get what you get. But at the end of the day, people know quality. People know when people are just being salty for whatever reason. And majority of my views are 5 stars. All right, fam. Hope this helps you out. Hope that you cut on. Hope you grow your business. And then always, cut on lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.